It's not a rare gun by any means. It's mass produced. Everybody has one. But this is mine. My Glock 19. I've been that way my whole life. And if you're smart about it, you're going to have a gun. I unfortunately have to draw my gun on several crazy people in this city. And every single time I've drawn, my Glock has been there right there next to me. This is just simply my first video on YouTube. I just really love this gun. It means a lot to me. I just think about all the situations that we've been through together. And I just basically wanted to make a video, show my appreciation. I know there's a new Glock V and all this other bullshit coming out, but I'm telling you right now, it doesn't compare to my legacy Gen 4 Glock. Thank you, Glock, for making my Glock.